everyone, it's Mayura here. A new day, new tutorial. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go and hit the subscribe button right away. A lot of people who tend to sit for longer hours doing a desk job, or athletes or runners, might tend to have stiffness in their hips, also called as glutes. So today we're going to learn 5 easy stretches which are going to help you to release the tension in your hips and bring some mobility in them. So let's get started.
First asana, fold your right leg, hug your right knee. Place your right foot on your left hand and hold the foot nicely. You can start swinging the leg if you wish to, or you can just hold there and stay. Try to get your chest closer towards the leg and keep your back straight. Second asana, place your foot just above your left knee and bend your left knee. Try to keep your back straight and hold here. Third asana, drop the left leg down and right leg on top of it. And take your hands forward, keeping your back straight. As you exhale, start moving forward with your hands till wherever you can reach. If you can place your elbows towards the floor, place your elbows towards the floor. And if you are very much comfortable, you can take your head also towards the floor and stay. Slowly you can come back and relax. Fourth asana, bend your right leg, place it on the left side, fold your left leg in. With your left hand, wind your leg, and if you can hold your ankle, right hand back and you completely twist back and look back. If this feels difficult, you can just hug your knee and twist back. Slowly back and relax. Fifth asana, join your feet together. Interlocking your hands, place them under your feet. You can start flapping your knees, keeping your back straight. Slowly, when you're comfortable, just inhale from your chest. And as you exhale, start bending forward down completely till wherever you can reach and stay there. You can try to take your elbows towards the floor. Slowly, you can come back and relax.
So these were 5 super easy stretches to bring mobility in your glutes, which you can practice on a daily basis. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook for daily updates like yoga sessions with me, workshops with me, and a lot more. And if you like this video, share it to as many people as you can so that more and more people get a chance to learn. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.